Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical wood floor tiles, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from wood floor tiles, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood floor tiles from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Art 3D 36-pack 54 square feet peel and stick floor tiles. Upgrade your floors effortlessly with the Art 3D 36-pack peel and stick floor tiles. Covering 54 square feet, these vinyl wood-look tiles bring authentic grain texture and a stylish rosewood finish to your home. The peel and stick design makes installation quick and easy. No power tools or experience needed. Built with a rigid surface and hard core, these tiles are 100% waterproof, fireproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-proof, ensuring long-lasting durability. Not just for floors, these versatile tiles can also be applied to walls, ceilings, and cabinets with extra glue. Unlike slippery ceramic tiles, these high-friction, wood-textured planks offer added safety for children and seniors. Plus, they provide a warm and cozy feel, unlike cold ceramic flooring. Lightweight, stable, and resistant to expansion and deformation, they offer the luxury of wood flooring at a fraction of the cost. Transform your space with ease. Order now. Number 2. Sorbus 96 square feet wood grain floor tiles. Transform your floors with the Sorbus 96 square feet wood grain floor tiles. This 24-piece interlocking foam tile set features a classic mahogany wood grain finish, combining style, comfort, and functionality. Perfect for hard indoor surfaces, these cushioned anti-fatigue mats provide a soft, supportive feel, making them ideal for living rooms, basements, home gyms, offices, daycare centers, and more. The easy interlocking puzzle design allows for quick, tool-free installation with detachable edge pieces to fit corners, borders, or center areas. Whether you need wall-to-wall coverage or a specific area, these tiles are lightweight, waterproof, and easy to clean. Made from durable PE foam with an OPP plastic film, they withstand daily foot traffic while adding a warm, inviting look to your space. No adhesive required. Just snap them together and enjoy instant comfort. Upgrade your flooring effortlessly with Sorbus foam wood tiles today. Number 3. Decor Easy Floor Interlocking Flooring Tiles in Solid Teak Wood. Transform your space with the Decor Easy Floor Interlocking Flooring Tiles in Solid Teak Wood. These tiles feature a genuine oil-finish teak that adds a luxurious warm touch to any area. The Easy Floor interlocking system makes installation a breeze. No tools or glue needed, just snap the tiles together for a seamless fit. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications, these tiles are ideal for entryways, bathrooms, showers, terraces, decks, and even pools. The floating installation allows you to easily remove and relocate tiles as needed. Each tile consists of 9 solid teak pieces on a durable plastic base, ensuring long-lasting durability. Teak is responsibly harvested in Indonesia, so you can enjoy your beautiful floor with peace of mind. Each box covers 10 square feet, and the tiles are easy to clean and maintain. Elevate your home or outdoor space with the Decor Easy Floor Tiles today. Number 4. We Sell Mats Forest Floor 3x8-inch thick printed foam tiles. Transform your space with the We Sell Mats Forest Floor 3x8-inch thick printed foam tiles. These interlocking EVA foam tiles come with a stylized wood grain appearance, offering a sophisticated and modern touch to any room. Measuring 24 inches per tile, they provide the perfect balance of comfort and durability. Ideal for use in basements, garages, playrooms, classrooms, or even trade shows, these tiles offer a cushioned, anti-fatigue surface to reduce strain on your feet, knees, and back. Perfect for fitness activities like yoga, stretching, or bodyweight exercises, they add extra support over concrete or hardwood floors. Installation is easy, just assemble the tiles in minutes over any flat surface. Hand wash only for easy maintenance, and enjoy the beautiful white oak wood grain design that complements any decor. Upgrade your home or office with the Forest Floor foam tiles today. Number 5, Lareko 36 Pack 54 square feet. Gray wood peel and stick floor tile. Transform your floors effortlessly with the Lareko 36 Pack 54 square feet gray wood peel and stick floor tiles. These self-adhesive vinyl tiles are incredibly easy to install. Just peel and stick onto any flat, clean, and dry surface. No power tools, glue, or prior experience needed. Made from durable PVC, these tiles feature WPU pressure-sensitive adhesive, ensuring a strong bond with minimal gaps and no sticky residue left behind. The waterproof, heat-resistant, and non-slip design provides long-lasting durability and easy maintenance. Whether for your kitchen, bathroom, living room, or even RV, these nature gray tiles add a sleek, stylish touch to any space. Each tile measures 36 into 6 inches and covers 54 square feet per set, perfect for high-traffic areas. These tiles offer exceptional performance while ensuring your space looks great for years to come. Upgrade your floors with Lareko today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.